Well, good morning, everybody. Time is now 4:56. E750-11.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 11.6, track 1, no defects, total axle 904, end of transmission.
904. Axles. I don't know if that would help you guys or not. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do it the best way for you guys. I didn't hear him call Kickiston. Well, I know I missed 2 trains this morning. One of them was another empty coal. I missed him. I knew that was going to happen. I missed Q371. I knew I was going to miss him. It's alright. So right now, the only change that I know of at this moment, Q135-11, he's still down south. He's still in Virginia. 416, he's coming up to Richmond. Oh, he should be in Richmond now. Richmond Echo Yard. Q415, he should be leaving Cumberland now. So, I don't know exactly when those two are going to come. But I keep my ears and eyes open to figure out what else is coming down. I'm mainly going to stay right here all day today. I don't know how long I'm going to stay though, but yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You can say hang on. E750-11, you guys look good. Be safe going westbound. I was gonna say is I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of this coronavirus shindig. I hope everything will go back to normal. Hopefully sooner than later. That's what I'm hoping for. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.